Hi, today we're going to be taking the unboxing review at Realtree Power Bank. Well, Ultra Slim Power Bank. So yeah, so going to move that out of the way there. So it's a 7 hours talk time Power Bank Ultra Slim, 1.700 milliamp hertz capacity, rechargeable lithium poly something battery, power level, indicator lights, ideal for charging phone, cameras, and navigational systems like GPS and stuff. You know that kind of looks a little like an iPad. Better power on the go, obviously made by Realtree. Micro USB connector, charging cable included. So you are going to get a mini type A, I think, or B. You get the one for an Android phone / PS4 controller. So yeah. Now I got it for like 75% off, which is pretty good. So I only pay like $3.25. So originally this thing was like what, 12 to 14 hours. So yeah, that's not a bad price I paid for this. And as you can see, the print's only on one side. The other side's that blazing hunter orange, for those little hunting vests. Well, so it doesn't pull a dead chain on you, where you're like, oh, hey, no, not there. I'm a human, I'm a hunter, don't shoot me. See, I got my blazing orange hunting vest on, so, yeah, on the back it does say Realtree. And then, features and benefits of talk time. So you get up to 7 hours of talk time and 150 hours of standby time. Yeah. And then one is the charge and import, one is the charge and output. This saying, how to charge it. You can charge it for your computer, or use a wall charger, or I guess even if you have to, you could use a car charger. They don't mention that, which I think that they should, because a lot of hunters, they go hunting, they do take like their trucks and stuff, because they have their coolers, their tents, their tree blinds, their guns, and bows and all that stuff. So yeah. Yet what's funny is they only mention the little laptop computer and an actual wall charger. Nothing about the little, car chargers. Which is kind of hilarious right there. Do they actually have a website on here? You know what? I am not seeing a website like, www.realtreeapparel.com or anything. Nope, no freaking website whatsoever here. Yep. Nope. So yeah, they don't even have like a website to see, all their shirts and hats and hunting gloves and anything else, like the face masks and stuff. Nope, they don't even have a website, which is kind of weird, because considering that they are kind of one of the big time competitors in the hunting type of deal. I mean, there's Realtree, there's Mossy Oat, brands like that, which is kind of like famous in the hunting sporting world. That that is odd that they don't even have a website to tell you, yeah, these are our hunting gloves, these are our hats, our shirts, our jackets, our charging power banks, or face masks to cover your face, So like turkeys and stuff don't see you when you poke down the blinds or tree stands and stuff. Yeah. Nothing about that. Nope. So let's cut this open and see what we actually get in here. And yay, we get this, which is just the little slim power bank. So here's our our charging cable, cord. Not that big, kind of small, but you know, it definitely gets the job done. And here it is, the little charging power bank. I will tell you this is super thin. It is nice that it does have more in and out, although you can pretty much tell which way is for charging the power bank and which way is for charging your devices. There is little indicator lights up here. Each color will tell you something, so yeah. So if it's lit up green, which would be in the out port, so which would be this one. So the one that's closer to the actual, you know, charging the device, the power bank, that should be green, which means it's charging. Blue in the middle, which means it's full charge, and red over to where it's charging for where it says in, which, you know, would actually be the part that, you know, you charge up the device, the power bank. That part would be red, so remember, if you put it here where it's charging the phone, or iPad, or tablet, or whatever, that would be green, which means full charge. Middle, blue, green is charging, blue is fully charged, and red over here where you're charging this device is, you know, needs charging. So those are the 3 charge light indicator levels and stuff. I mean, you do get a little piece of paper in there, but it doesn't display much, and there is no website on there, so yeah, that paper is kind of useless. Now, seeing how thin this power bank is, and I actually do have quite a few little power banks, so we could definitely tell, is this something that's going to be, you know, kind of useful, or is it kind of like, a little novelty? I mean, obviously it's going to be useful. It is, you know, a power bank, but, you know. So you have this little round stick type battery one, which if you look at it, kind of looks like a battery stick type. It almost looks like a 18650 type battery because of how slim it is, but with the height maybe closer to like a 2700. Although this one would be more than a 2700, like maybe a 337 type of battery, like a 33700, because it's not an 18650, but you know, kind of something in between those 3. So, which I mean is small, but it is round, so it's going to be something that people are going to notice in your pocket. Then we have this one, which comes with the little keychain, which is not the best, but I guess okay. And yeah, you know, just 2 charge light indicators on there. This one just has 1 charge light indicator, and you know, it's kind of big. And then we have this pocket juice, bland one, which I kind of like this one because this one's rubberized. You have a push button which tells you the power level. Wow, that's super bright. And then if you push it 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come on. It's supposed to light up into flashlight mode. 1, 2, 3. I don't know why it's not going in flashlight mode, but something that is supposed to go into a little flashlight mode so you can like see in the dark. Don't know why it didn't want to be stupid and don't want to cooperate today, but yeah. And then we have this one, which, you know, kind of the same idea with this one. Actually, it is the same size as this one if we look at it. You know, height wise, it is, yeah, same height wise from, you know, bottom to top. lengthwise, if we put it together, this one's actually a bit better lengthwise compared to this blue pocket juice. But how thin it is, if we put them together, you can tell this one is way thinner. You could get like maybe 2 or 3 of these stacked together to kind of equate the thickness of the pocket juice. So let's put this in, and let's see the charge light indicators. As you can see, you know, it's obviously green, which means, you know, it's charging. So it's charging my phone, and I don't know how good you can see this. Let's see if I could get the camera. To I don't know why, but the camera doesn't want to focus on the small little battery over here. But it is saying that, you know, there's a little lightning bulb that's showing that, hey, it is charging my phone up. And what I have noticed is, from playing around with this one for just a little bit, it does charge the phone up pretty fast. I mean, speed-wise, I've been playing around with a couple of times to see, you know, how fast would it charge my phone. And usually, for the little control test that I type to, you know,